Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Veru. The report was first published on our website Tuesday, May 3, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Veru? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Veru stock with a 0.399 score, and our system has ranked Veru buy or hold candidate since April 12, 2022. In this period the stock has not performed as our systems expected and actually had a loss of -11.29% so far. This is an average return of -0.75% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Veru, our last headline reads, high volatility in Veru Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $8.88. The Veru Incorporated stock price fell by -13.53% on the last day, Tuesday, May 3, 2022, from $10.27 to $8.88, and has now fallen 5 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 20.71% from a day low at $8.74 to a day high of $10.55. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -29.75% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -10 million shares and in total, 15 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $133.56 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $17.38, and the lowest price was $4.34. Right now the price is 48.89%, or $8.50, below 52-week high and 63.86%, or $15.69, below all-time high February 9, 2021 where the price hit $24.57. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 73.54% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 32.32% and 230.27%. The 12-month trend indicates a -9.04% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -46.09% and 63.58%. This equals a price between $4.79 and $14.53 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Veru stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Veru stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Veru. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Veru Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $11.92. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $8.25. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, April 14, 2022, and so far it has fallen -40.56%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 17 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Veru. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.81 between high and low, or 20.71%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 17.58%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Veru. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Veru currently has a price-earning ratio of 114.11. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released May 10, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are negative 15 cents. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Veru meets first resistance at $10.01. If you do not hold Veru shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Veru is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 22, 2022, Barnett K. Gary made an inside buy of 200,000 of common stock option. On April 22, 2022, Greco Michelle made an inside buy of 100,000 of common stock option. On April 22, 2022, Fish Harry made an inside buy of 200,000 of common stock option. On April 22, 2022, Steiner Mitchell Schuster made an inside buy of 300,000 of common stock option. On March 29, 2022, Hyun Grace made an inside buy of 5,000 of common stock option. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 81.824. In total, the insiders bought 5,139,020 and sold 770,000 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $8.34, minus 6.06%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 12 days ago. Is Veru stock a buy? Veru Incorporated holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 4th, we expect Veru to open up 51 cents and start trading at $9.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.